Alright guys, welcome back to chapter 3. Today we are talking about typecasting. In Python, typecasting allows us to convert one data type into another. It's a handy skill that enhances our flexibility when working with different types of data. Alright, let's dive in. Typecasting or type conversion is the process of changing the data type of a variable. Python provides built-in functions that enable us to smoothly convert between various types such as integers, floats, and strings. First up, converting integers to floats. This comes in handy when we need more precision in our calculations, right? Let's see how to do it. Int value equal to 42, right? Now if I print int value, print it out, number 42, and now float val equal to, and just type float, okay, variable, and if I now type float value, as you can see, all right, now we have a float value here. All right, and let's just all right, so now let's see. Mm, okay, string value equal to number 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is string. Okay, this is a string value. Now, if you want to convert it to number, int, okay, uh, integer val equal to int string value. All right, now just print it. Okay, just run the code. Okay, now it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, now this is converted into number value, integer value. Yeah. All right. Likewise, you can also convert a number to string, right? Okay, we have number. Let's say I'll give it a name equal to Steve. Yeah, and age equal to, let's say, 25. Okay. No, not like that. 25. Now this is a string value. This is a number value. Now if you want to, okay, uh, Steve is age years old, right? Let's let's just okay remove this one. Now try to print. Okay, we are getting an error because type error can only concatenate string, not integer. So here in this case, I have to convert this into string. And how we do it? Like type string, put it in the bracket. All right, there we go. All right, Steve is 25 years old. All right. All right, guys, fantastic. Now, typecasting in Python opens up a world of possibilities when handling different data types, whether it's converting integers to floats or strings to numbers. These tools provide us with the flexibility we need in our program. All right, join me in the next chapter as we explore more fascinating aspects of Python. All right.